ladies and gentlemen, namaste, welcome back. आप सबका कोड एस्टेट के ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत है. Today we are back with another super luxurious 65 crore duplex apartment tour. It's a luxurious 7,500 square feet apartment that we are touring in this ultra luxurious and lavish building. We are currently in the lobby, which is so beautiful and iconic design. This is one of a kind building located in Bandra Kurla complex. We're surrounded by prominent buildings around. All the details about this property I will be putting in the description box so you can go through it. And we post awesome real estate videos, so do support us by clicking the subscribe button of Code Estate. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. It is code_estate. Now without wasting any time, let us begin the tour. So we are inside the ultra luxurious and palatial 7,500 square feet, 7-bedroom hall kitchen duplex apartment in Bandra Kurla complex. We are surrounded by some of the most prominent buildings of Mumbai. We have 2 5-star hotels, Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center and corporations in Bandra Kurla complex. It's an upscale and prominent business hub of Mumbai. And we are touring this lavish apartment. It is listed at 65 crore friends and has 7 spacious bedrooms. This is the double-heighted living room that has a beautiful chandelier. It's a finished apartment, so comes with marble flooring, air conditioning unit, plastered walls, electrical wiring work is done. The best part of this duplex is the wraparound balcony and the pocket terraces you have. Let's step outside and check out the balcony. These are good 7 feet wide decks. It's a wraparound balcony, so we can just walk it up. This is a ventilated apartment and that's the gorgeous view of Mumbai city. We are on a higher floor, so the view is phenomenal from here. As you go inside, you have a squarish pocket terrace. You can keep a jhula over here, you can keep outdoor sitting arrangement. So the layout of the apartment is such that this is the space where you can keep your dining. So you can keep a good 10 to 12 seater dining. You have these 2 chandeliers, a fan in the center. It's a good size palatial living room. This is what I call luxury. It is so spacious and well lit, well ventilated. Very easy to serve your guests because the kitchen is right here. Serving becomes very easy. It's a long kitchen. You have parallel platforms. All these cabinets will come with the property. Fans, ceiling lights, inbuilt hob, chimney, and here this is the utility area where you can keep your clothes drying rack or other miscellaneous items. This isn't it, kitchen doesn't end here. You have more storage space on this side. So if you see, this can be the house help, resting quarter. This side we have service cum utility space. So you can keep washing machine, dryer and other miscellaneous items. The entry of this area is directly from outside. Come, I'll show you. So this is the main door. When your house help servicemen want to do some repair work in the house, from the entrance only they can get inside the service area, repair and fix up everything and head outside. So the layout is very well thought of, keeping your convenience in mind. And this pocket, the small room that you're seeing, this is actually to install a capsule lift. Since it's a duplex, and this is the flight of stairs that will take us to the other level. Now friends, on this floor we have the kitchen, the staff quarter, we have this palatial living room, pocket terraces, and this side we have the bedrooms. Let's start with bedroom 1. Let's enter bedroom 1 and check out the size. Fantastic size, super spacious, very well lit up, high ceilings, attached balcony, gorgeous view with attached bathroom. You've got anti-skid flooring, shower area, counter. The sanitary fittings and faucets come with the property. It's a finished, ready-to-move-in house. You pay and you move in. This is bedroom 2, but you can convert this into yoga, meditation room or a gym. So you can use that for miscellaneous purposes. And this is the powder bathroom that has WC and counter and basin, anti-skid flooring and some cabinets, and ready to move. You just have to bring in your furniture and clothes. This size of bedroom is rare in Mumbai. This bedroom measures approximately 300 square feet. It comes with a walk-in and an attached bathroom. So we saw the 3 bedrooms, we saw the palatial living room. Time to go and check out level 1. Come. So we are on level 1. Let me show you the double-heighted living room again. Look at this beautiful space, that large window, double glazed with this gorgeous view, looks like a painting. This kind of layout is so rare in Mumbai. This is truly luxurious and very refined. This is the master suite, open on 2 sides for cross ventilation, amazing size, marble flooring, cassette ACs, space for your bed with a nice wooden paneling. This side, this is the dressing unit come walk-in. Let's check out. So there you can have your walk-in on all the 3 sides. This is another room to unwind. This can be like a den. So on this floor, we saw the master suite, we saw this meditation room, and now we will check out the 3 bedrooms which are on this floor. Let's go straight. It's identical like how you had it on level 1. So all the 3 bedrooms are pretty much of the same size even on this floor. Starting with this guest bedroom, let's just take a glimpse of it because we've already seen the size and the finishes. You have this beautiful flower bed which is adding a wonderful character to this home. These creepers and plants. We have the small walk-in space. This is the 6th bedroom. This is a really super spacious bedroom. Identical like level 1, attached walk-in and bath and toilet. With this, we're ending tour of the 7-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. This is a duplex apartment that has 7 spacious bedrooms, measures 7,500 approx square feet. It comes with 4 car parking spaces. All the bedrooms are spacious. You saw the sizes. It comes with wraparound balconies, this double-heighted living room. You can also install a capsule lift. It has a separate entry exit for house help and a dedicated servants quarter. The building is loaded with luxurious amenities. For more information, reach out to Code Estate Friends. I'm your architect and real estate consultant, Simran Gupta. You can contact us. All the details of our company is in the description box below, and also of the property details I'm pasting in the description box so you can go through it. Friends, with this, we're ending apartment 2. Do support us by clicking the subscribe button of Code Estate. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. It is code_estate. I'll see you next time.